Hey guys, Rikai here and welcome to another Block Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to show you how to disable the airdrop feature. Now of course, if for some reason you want to enable or disable this feature, especially for disabling, you're going to follow this tutorial. So simply go ahead guys, from your home screen, if you're not on your home screen, simply swipe up from the mid section of the screen, lower section down here, then go to settings. Once you're in settings, you should be at the top of the screen. Next, you're going to go into general. The general settings is almost to the top there, and once you're in here, what you're going to do from here guys is simply go over to airdrop, and that should be the third option on the screen. So go ahead and hit airdrop. Now of course in my case here you see that receiving off. Go ahead and select that, and that should disable the features. But of course, in case you want for added security, you can be for contacts only, meaning only those in your contacts can be used. And of course you can make it generally open to everyone, so the option is yours. But of course to turn it off, go ahead and receive off. That way you cannot receive any files. And of course for added security, use the contacts only, and for open to anyone, simply use everyone. All right, so that's how to enable or disable airdrop. All right guys, so this is Ricardo from Block Tech Tipsy saying bye until next time guys. Bye.